Hi guys, WhatsApp has recently launched a new update in their application. Now you can use multiple accounts in a single WhatsApp, which means if you have one WhatsApp account and one smartphone, you can use two or multiple WhatsApp account in your single smartphone. Let's say you have a dual SIM phone or triple SIM phone. So if you want, you can use all the numbers as a WhatsApp. You don't need to use WhatsApp Business or Second Space or Dual Apps or similar technology. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this feature with the help of screen reader. If you're interested, watch this video till the end. Ratul this side from VI Tech Academy, and let's begin the video. For this, you need to open your WhatsApp account, which I have already done. Now click on more options, which is the top right side.
Check more options button out.
Then click on settings.
Window on top. Settings 6 of 6. Settings.
Then you need to swipe left from right.
Settings. Search. TalkBack official developer
You.
program. QR code button. Button to switch or add an account.
Switch or add an account. Just double tap here.
Drag handle.
Now again swipe.
TalkBack official. Add account button. Stop recording. Add account button.
Add
Let's user
account
create an
button.
additional account. WhatsApp.
So click here.
WhatsApp.
Now here you need to click on agree and continue.
Read our privacy terms of service. English. Agree and continue. WhatsApp. Showing dial keyboard.
Then enter the phone number of the second account which you want to link or which you want to add. So let me enter this, and after that click on next button.
Next. 1. Editing. Phone number. Plus. Edit. International carrier charge. Next. Button.
Alright.
Editing. Plus. 91. Plus. Editing. Phone number. Edit box.
So here you need to enter the phone number. In the next screen, you need to confirm the number and click on OK.
Requesting code on top. Screen recorder on bottom.
Then you need to enter
Showing dial
the
keyboard.
OTP.
Verify your phone number.
Do not share it with anyone.
Dash.
Code is
3.
534 to 940.
So see, here it is asking to enter the OTP.
This number is registered on another phone. If you add it here, it will be logged out there. Window verify your phone number. To move the account, open WhatsApp on your other phone to get the 6-digit code. Editing. Edit box for enter 6-digit code.
Okay, so here you need to enter the 6-digit code. Now, if that number is already logged in to any other device, then that device will be logged out. And if the number does not have the WhatsApp, then you can easily get the code via SMS. But if the number is already using in any another phone in WhatsApp, then you will get the code in WhatsApp. So as I'm using this number as a WhatsApp in another mobile phone, so I'm getting the code in WhatsApp. So let me copy or let me take the code and enter here, then click on
100. Enter 6 to move the account. Edit 100. Enter 6-digit code. Need help getting a code. 1. Window 4. 2.
okay. So let me enter the code and then I'll come back to the video. So after entering this code, now you can see.
Give permission. Button. Skip.
See.
Button. If you previously backed up to Google storage and want to restore it, give WhatsApp permission to check your Google account for backups.
Okay. No, I don't want, so I'm clicking on skip button.
WhatsApp.
Okay, now I have successfully logged into my second WhatsApp number. See.
If you have previously used WhatsApp, restore from backup. Heading.
Okay, restore
If
from
you
backup.
no backup.
No.
Transfer from old phone. Continue. Transfer from old phone. Move complete account history to a new phone. Requires Wi-Fi and access to your old phone.
Okay. So I don't want to backup.
Continue. Button.
Just click on continue.
WhatsApp.
Okay.
Transfer
See.
chat history. Use the continue. Button. Not now. Use the camera on your old phone to scan the upcoming QR code. To continue, you must accept permissions. Continue. Not now.
So click on not now.
Are
If
you
you
sure?
want
On
to,
top. Screen recorder on bottom.
if you want to get the chat history, then you need to scan the QR code by using your old phone's camera, and then you will get the chat history. But I'm not doing it right now.
Cancel. Yes, I'm sure. Button.
Just click on yes, I'm sure.
7 characters remaining. Emoji. Button. 7 characters remaining. Editing.
see.
Ratulbasak official. Profile photo.
Profile
editing.
photo.
Ratulbasak official. Edit box. Type your name here.
So this is the name for the new account. Okay. So I'm just deleting all these things.
8 minutes. 3 seconds. O. Editing. Editing. L. Delete. L deleted. 8 characters remaining. Delete. Delete.
Let me delete everything.
R deleted.
Okay. Then I'm just giving SR.
Capital S. Capital S. Z. 24 characters remaining. Symbol keyboard. Shift. Capital T. Capital R. 23 characters. Emoji.
Then
button.
I'm clicking.
Open feature. More features open.
Sorry. Then I'm clicking
23
OK.
characters remain. Emoji. Next. Close feature. Editing. Keyboard hidden. 23 characters. Emoji. Next. Stop. Next.
Just click on
WhatsApp.
next. Then it will initialize.
Access WhatsApp the same way you unlock your phone. With your
Okay.
fingerprint, face or screen lock. Your passkey gives you a secure and easy. Learn more. Create a passkey. Button.
Create a passkey.
Skip. Button.
Skip. So I'm skipping it right
Adding
now.
account.
Now the account will be adding.
Stop recording. Please adding account. Please wait a moment. Switch to +91 987
Okay.
Search. Button.
So see.
Camera. Button.
Now this is the new account which I have sent in. But I'm using the same WhatsApp in the same smartphone. Now see, I'm going to settings.
Search. More options. Pop-up. New broadcast.
See.
Link. Start payments.
Then I'm going
5
to
of 7.
settings.
Settings.
Then under
Settings.
settings, see.
Settings. Search. USR. QR code. USR. +91
USR.
QR code.
Right, QR code
Button.
and
Button to switch or add an account.
then switch and another account. So if I go here,
Drag handle.
then you can see two accounts. See.
SR +91 98.
See.
Ratulbasak official +91.
Right.
Stop recording. Image. Ratulbasak
So if
official
I want to switch to my previous
+91704436. SR. Expand. SR. Stop recording. Image.
Okay.
Out of list.
Here
Windows
I
screen
can
recorder.
just access the second account. Okay. So right now you can use up to 2 accounts in this single WhatsApp, but maybe in the future you can use more than 2 accounts. I'm not sure. So this is how you can easily switch the account, or this is how you can easily use 2 accounts in the same WhatsApp. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to share this content with your friends and community. Press the like button and make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more videos for free. If you want to join us, you can join us any of our social media platforms such as Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook and Facebook groups. If you want to join our courses, visit our website. The link is given in the video description below. If you're interested in developing mobile applications, don't forget to check out our last video on how to create application using ChatGPT. The video can be found on our official YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.